Assalamu alaikum student. This is our fifth video of round number 3. Now the question answers. First of all, I had told you that you have to make the index, write chapter number 6 and then write trade and commerce, short question answers, long question answers and blanks. After that, you have to make the title page of chapter 6, Trade and Commerce. Now give the heading of short question answers. Question number 1. What is meant by trade and commerce? Answer is, give the heading of trade and commerce. The exchange of goods and services to satisfy the need of customers is known as trade and commerce. Now give the side heading of trade. Usually refers to the exchange of particular products, and the example of trade is, people often say that a country's main trade is coffee, tea or sugar. Now the commerce. It covers all the spread of trading in many countries. There are department of government that is responsible for looking after that the trade is done smoothly. Leave one line and write question number 2. Define wholesaling and retailing. Give the heading of wholesaling. It is a process in which things or goods are either sold or bought in bulk quantities, especially at low price. Give the heading of retailing. The sale of goods in shops to a customer for their own use and not for selling to anyone else. Question number 3. What do you think a businessman needs to borrow money? Answer. Sometimes businessman wants to expand their business. For this they need extra investment, so they borrow money from banks. Leave one line and write the next point. Point number 2. Sometimes banks offer low markup rates to the businessman and offer them advantages in borrowing money from banks. Question number 4. What are the functions of a bank? Give the heading of functions of bank. Following are the different functions of banks. These points are in your book, but I am reading it. Point number 1. Store and keep customers' money safe until they need it, charging for this, of course. Number 2. Lend money to people and businessmen as long as they later offer security for the money they have borrowed. When they repay the money, they have to pay interest, which can be quite considerable. Leave one line for the next point. invest money deposited by customers on the stock market to make money for their own shareholders. Banks also need to pay interest to people who have deposited money with them. Next point number 4, settle customers' debts by paying the money from customers' accounts. Banks charge customers for this and many other financial services that they offer. Last point number 5, buy and sell foreign currencies hoping to make a profit on such dealings. Now, long question answers. Give the heading of long question answers. Question number 1, how do education and health service support a country's development? Answer, education and health services play a vital role and support countries' development in various ways. Give the heading of role of health services. Leave some space. As we know that healthy mind lives in a healthy body, so that if the nation wants to move forward, it must give priority to the health of the people, because healthy people work more efficiently. Change paragraph. If good health facilities are provided, it increases the average age, quality of life, and people can give better output to the country. Second point, role of education. National development to a great extent depends on the people being educated and aware of the national responsibilities. Next paragraph, education contributes to a great deal in discovering and developing the human talent. Change paragraph. The basic purpose of education is to equip one the kind of knowledge which can help a person to serve his own nation in the matters of nation building and economic development. Last paragraph. It is therefore imperative that there should be plenty of good educational institutions where modern education can be imparted to the people. Question number 2. Explain the role of communication in industrial growth. Answer is, give the heading of communication. This is the definition of communication. You have to centralize it. Communication is a transfer of information between individuals or groups. Communication is mainly electronic nowadays, based on information technology, IT. For example, internet, satellite system, and cable network. Give the heading of role of communication in industrial growth. These are the points. Point number 1, banks provide online banking services due to the communication system. Point number 2, radio and television. Point number 3, radio and television are also important and effective means of communication as well as entertainment and information, particularly increase where literacy rate is low. Point number 3, I think so. This is point number 4. For the industrial growth, education is very important and communication facilities in providing education to the remote area. Question number 3. What is tourism? How is Pakistan a favorite tourist spot? Give the heading of tourism. This is a definition. You have to centralize it. The word tour is derived from Latin word tomen and the Greek word tomos, which means circle. The movement around the central point or axis. Tourism is to travel for recreational or business purpose. Give the heading of Pakistan as a favorite tourist spot. Pakistan has a range of landscapes, diverse cultures and people, and a large number of heritage sites. It has much potential as a tourist destination. Change paragraph. The northern region has been a favorite with tourists who are attracted to the awesome mountain landscape. The northern areas are famous for the Shandur Polo Festival, the breathtaking mountains and the trekking expeditions leading up to the Khunjra Pass. Swat and Kagan, with their beautiful natural scenery, and to the northwest is the historic Khyber Pass, the culturally rich cities of Lahore, Multan and Bhawal, and the historic sites of Taxila, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are also of interest to tourists. Now the long question answer is also completed. You have to make the blanks. And 20 or 25, and please start learning of these chapters of your syllabus for your test, which will be announced at any moment. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.